Welcome to Muzaara, powered by FeedOps. In this quick demo, we'll show you how to easily update your product feed using the bulk editor in Muzaara. When managing a large product catalog, you often need to modify specific attributes like material, brand, or color to keep your feed accurate and optimized. Instead of scrolling through unnecessary data, you can use the bulk editor to optimize your feed efficiently. To get started, go to the product screen. From the Playbook screen, click Go to Product, or select Product from the side navigation bar. On the product screen, click the Column button on the right. This opens a selection panel where you can search for the attribute you want to edit. For example, if you need to update product materials, search for Materials, then click Add to include it in your table. This makes it easier to find and edit relevant data without distractions. You can now choose to edit all products at once or narrow your selection using filters. If you only want to update products containing a specific keyword, like leathers in the title, apply a Title Contains Leather filter. This instantly narrows the list to only products that match your condition. Filtering ensures updates are applied only where needed, avoiding unintended changes to other products. Once you've filtered your selection, updating is easy. Click the Edit button in the Table Action menu, then update the Material field to Leather. This change will apply to all selected products, ensuring consistent and accurate product information. When you're ready, hit Save. Your updates will be applied instantly. If you ever need to modify or undo changes, simply revisit the bulk editor, adjust your filters, and update product attributes without affecting unrelated listings. Head to feedops.com to learn more and unlock the full potential of your e-commerce strategy today.